Hey there! I've hidden the pumpkin's eyes somewhere in this video. Can you find them? Comment below if you do. Okay, ready for something creepy? They called it the pumpkin that remembered. It was carved every Halloween, standing in the same window for years. Its smile, wide and sharp, its eyes glowing like fire. But one year, the family forgot. No pumpkin, no candle. Just silence in the old house. That night, neighbors said they saw something glowing in the window anyway. A faint orange light, flickering like a heartbeat. When the father checked in the morning, there it was, the pumpkin, carved and burning from the inside, even though no one had touched it. And on the table beside it lay their family photo. The pumpkin's smile was the same as his. They say it remembers the faces of everyone who carved it, and when forgotten, it carves itself. So, don't forget your pumpkin this Halloween, because it might already remember you.